Hello and welcome to StoryBlaze. Today I will help you set up your brand preset in StoryBlaze. In the last video I showed you how to integrate your WordPress website with StoryBlaze. Now let's see how we can set up brand presets. To set up your brand presets, first go to storyblaze.io and then log in with your account. Once you are in your dashboard, click on the brands menu in the left sidebar. Here you can see all the brands if you have created them in the onboarding process. To add a brand, you need to click on the Add Brand button that will open a pop-up where you can customize all your settings. Here you can enter your brand name and then the author's name. After that, upload your brand logo and brand favicon. Then we have the brand typography section where you can select the font that matches your site typography. You can also customize the font size here, or you can just leave it as default. Then we have text color and text background color options. Make sure your text color and background color are contrasting so that users don't have any issue reading your text. You can also add a border to your text. When you change this option to yes, two more customization options will appear and you can choose the border style and border color. You can also give life to your web story by adding some animations to your text. You can select any animation style from this list. Once you have customized all these settings, hit save. That's it. You have successfully added a brand to your StoryBlaze account.